Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get Tinder Gold completely for free. And you guys can see I'm opening up Tinder right now and I do not have Tinder Gold yet. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I get Tinder Gold completely for free on my profile. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the gold, and you guys can see I do not have it unlocked yet. But soon at the end of the video you guys will see I unlock Tinder Gold and get 6 months of it completely for free. And this is all thanks to tdgold.xyz, which allowed me to get the 6 months of Tinder Gold completely for free. So to get started, all you have to do is open up your web browser and go on tdgold.xyz. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. It's tdgold.xyz. Alright, so once you type in that URL, you guys will see this is the website where you're able to get Tinder Gold for free. So just go ahead and type in your email and select your platform on which you use Tinder on. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the email which I use to sign up for my Tinder account. And then I can go ahead and select my platform, which is Apple, since I use an iPhone, which I'll do right now. Alright, now I can enter how many months I want, so we're going to go ahead and go with 6 months, and then we'll hit continue. Alright, so now it's just connecting to my account through the Tinder database, and we're just going to wait for it to find my account record. And once it finds my account record, it can go ahead and inject packets so I can get the 6 months of Tinder Gold completely for free. So we're just waiting for it to change that Tinder defined value, which it did right now, and now you guys can see it's deleting traces and saving all of the changes. So it's going to go ahead and disconnect from the database, but before you can get the gold loaded into your account, you will have to do human verification. Alright, so just go ahead and hit the human verification button, and you guys will see instructions right here, and all you have to do is complete a free survey and you will get your free Tinder Gold. So let's go ahead and choose a survey from this list of 3. We're going to select the first one, which has to do with Papa John's. So we're going to wait for it to load our reward, and once it loads up, you guys will see here I get to select my choice below, and we're just going to go ahead and select Papa John's. And now it's just going to make sure we're eligible. And now you have to go ahead and confirm your email address. So make sure you type in a legitimate email address that you actually own so this will work. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So once I type in that email address, I can just go ahead and hit continue. Alright, and when you hit continue, you guys will see the next step. And the next step will ask for your first name, last name, address, zip code, and telephone. So just go ahead and type in your information here and make sure it's legit information so you can pass the human verification portion of this successfully. So we're just going to go ahead and enter our address right here, and then we can go ahead and enter our zip code as well as our telephone number, our date of birth, and then lastly our gender, which I'll get to in a second. Alright, and now I'll go ahead and hit the green continue button. And once I hit that button, it's just going to load up right here, and we're almost done with the human verification. We just have to answer a couple more questions. So we're going to go ahead and answer these questions the best we can. Don't lie when you answer these questions, because this is human verification and you want to answer them truthfully so you can successfully be verified as a human. So just go through this questionnaire. There's not many questions. It doesn't take any time at all. As you guys can see, I'm doing it very quickly. So just answer them the best you can, and you guys will be able to pass the human verification, as you will see I'm doing right here. So I'm almost done. You guys can see there's a green loading bar that lets me know of my status, and I'm just at the end right here, and now I'm done. So I can go ahead and hit that confirm, hit continue, and now we're just going to wait for it to load. Alright, so it's going to check the requirements to make sure we did everything legitimately so we can be successfully verified as a human. And now we can go ahead and exit off that screen. And now we have successfully completed the human verification, and we will now have 6 months of Tinder Gold loaded onto our account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Tinder right here, and you guys will see that I now have Tinder Gold successfully. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just remember to go on tdgold.xyz so you guys can get Tinder Gold for your own Tinder account. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and enjoy getting all of those Tinder matches.